entertainment app development, video streaming. Did you know? TikTok has over 800 million active users worldwide. Total 2 billion downloads overall. Over 41% of users are between 16 to 24 years old. Users tend to spend an average of 52 meters. TikTok app alternatives in market: Byte, Dubsmash, Clash, Facebook and Instagram Reels. These apps are perfect platforms for users to show their talent, share knowledge and even use them as a marketing channel. Hence, they are in huge market demand. Must-have features of app: profile creation, and social sharing, video editing, face filters, and effects, comments, and hashtags, music library, notifications. Advanced features: live streaming, location-based content, our filters, real-time analytics. OneClick has over 9+ years of experience in mobile app development and we follow a dedicated development process. Our process: market research, analysis and documentation, UI, UX designing, coding, testing and deployment, enhancements. Check out our work. Get in touch with us. OneClick. We build brand from ideas.